Hello children, now we will start the explanation part of the chapter. First I'll read and then I'll explain. Your body is made up of several parts. Each part has its own work to do. Plants are also made up of many parts. Each part plays an important role in helping the plant to live and grow. So like we humans have different body parts, right? And these body parts help us to live properly. Same goes with the plants also. They have different parts in them and these parts help the plant to live and grow. The part of the plant which grows below the soil is called the root, and the part which grows above the soil is called the shoot. The shoot has stem, branches, leaves, fruits and flowers. Let us discuss about the various parts of a plant and the functions they perform. So, if we talk about the plant, part of the plant which grows, see this is right. So, the part of the plant which grows above the soil. This is the part of the plant which grows above the soil. This part is known as shoot, while the part of the plant which grows below the soil is known as root. So, in shoot, whether it is leaf, fruit, flower or stem, they all come under shoot system, and the roots come under root system. Now we will start with our first part, that is roots. We will study this part in detail. Naturally grow under the soil. Try to pull out a wheat plant from the soil. Can you do it easily? We cannot pull it out easily because it is fixed in the soil by roots. अगर हम कोशिश करें कोई भी एक जंगली पौधा या ग्रास को भी ज़मीन से निकालने की, to uproot it, it will be difficult for us. ऐसा क्यों होता है? Because roots are grown under the soil and these roots help the plant to fix properly in the soil. That is the reason it is difficult to uproot these plants. So we cannot pull it out easily because it is fixed in the soil by roots. Roots help the plant to fix properly in the soil. Different types of roots. All plants do not have the same type of roots. There are two types of roots found in plants, tap roots and fibrous roots. So, two types of roots are there. First is tap root, second is fibrous roots. Tap root. In a tap root, there is a main thick root attached to the stem. Several thinner roots or branches grow out from the main root. As you can see in the picture also, just below the stem here, a main thick root is grown. This main thick root is known as tap root, and from this main thick root, small other hair-like structures grow. So these are known as root hairs, whitish colored root hairs. Tap root has one thick main root, and from this thick main root, secondary roots grow. We call them root hairs, which are whitish in color. These branches have whitish thin hair-like structures coming out from them. These are called root hairs. Plants like carrot, beans, beetroots and mustard have tap roots. So these are the plants: carrot, bean, beetroots, mustard. Mustard is sarso, beetroot is chukandar, bean is phali and carrot is gajar. So these are the plants which have tap root. Next is fibrous roots. Fibrous roots are in the form of a bunch of thread-like structures of similar size coming out from the end of the stem. There is no main root. Grass, wheat, rice and onion have fibrous roots. If we talk about fibrous roots, you can see here also in the picture, there is no main thick root you can see here. All are in the form of fibers which are growing just below the stem, right? So these roots are known as fibrous roots, and they are found in grass, wheat, rice, onion. Let's see the functions of root. Roots fix a plant firmly in the soil. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and send them up to the plants. So what is the first function? I have already told you, the roots helps the plant to fix firmly in the soil. रूट अच्छे से प्लांट को सॉइल में फिक्स करने में हेल्प करता है. सेकेंड इज रूट्स एब्जॉर्ब वाटर एंड मिनरल्स फ्रॉम द सॉइल एंड सेंड देम अप टू द प्लांट्स. रूट सॉइल से वाटर और मिनरल्स को एब्जॉर्ब करने में हेल्प करता है एंड देन these roots send the water and minerals to the stem, and from stem it is transported to every part of the plant. And the third is, in some plants such as carrot, radish and beetroot, the food prepared by the plant is stored in the root. We eat these roots. So plants like carrot, radish and beetroot, these are the roots which store food inside them, and because they store food in them, these roots are edible. So now you know that carrot, radish and beetroot, these are not the fruits of the plant, but these are the edible roots of the plant.
Root. Sid is helping his father in gardening. Let us go and join them.
Dad, what will you do with this sapling?
I will plant the sapling in the garden. We will put the root of the plant inside the soil.
Why only the root, Dad?
Let us find out the answer to Sid's question. Roots, as you already know, are the underground part of a plant. It is difficult to uproot a plant from the soil because of the presence of the root. That is why Sid's father needs to put the root of the sapling into the soil. Now that we know the answer to Sid's question, let us study more about roots. Root absorbs water and minerals from the soil, which are then distributed to all other parts of the plant. Roots of some plants are swollen and fleshy in order to store food. For example, carrot and beetroot. Now you have learnt about the importance of roots. Let us now know about the different types of roots. There are two different kinds of roots found in plants. They are taproot and fibrous root. Taproot has one main thick root that grows from the bottom of the stem. Several tiny roots grow from the side of this main root. Taproot is found in plants like radish and carrot. Fibrous root, on the other hand, does not have a main root, but various tiny roots of different sizes that grow directly from the plant. All of these are bunched together below the stem. Fibrous root is found in plants like wheat and rice.